Blockchain analysis is the process of inspecting, cataloging, and interpreting data that blockchains produce in order to gain actionable insights. A public blockchain, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, is a database of accounts and balances. Each new block in the chain updates the previous state of the database. This information is free for everyone to browse, but it exists in an unprocessed state. Tools such as blockchain explorers perform the fundamental tasks of organizing this data. One of the purposes of blockchain analysis is to trace the flow of funds between addresses. This can follow the proceeds of an exploit, or establish a transaction chain linking two or more wallets. It can also provide insights into the health and functionality of all blockchain-based platforms. Law enforcement agencies make extensive use of blockchain analysis when conducting anti-money laundering and cybersecurity operations. Powerful tools from CertiK help all blockchain users gain insights into Web3 platforms. Skynet is a security-focused resource that utilizes real-time data to provide actionable insights. SkyTrace traces the flow of funds from one wallet to another by visualizing a wallet's interactions with other addresses and tags from well-known protocols. To learn more about blockchain analysis, visit certik.com/resources.